Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the first Car City Strength Competition. Today, the strongest cars of Car City will face each other to win the Car City Cup. Beautiful, isn't it? And now, let's greet our champions. They are Super Truck, the hero of Car City, and Billy, the mighty Bulldozer. And without further ado, let the games begin. The first test that our champions will face will be to move these Car City citizens. The first one who gets his car to the end of the field wins. Amazing! Super Truck just transformed into an excavator. Ready, set, go! Super Truck seems to be getting ahead. It looks like Billy is having problems. Super Truck is going to win! Attention, Billy is getting the lead. And he wins! Amazing! Super Truck comes next. What a great race! The second game is Sumo Fights. The winner will be the car who gets the other out of the circle. Let the best one win. I can't believe it! Super Truck is the champion of the second game! And he didn't even have to use his strength to win. How smart! And we come to the final game with the two contenders tied in the first position. How exciting! In this game, participants must bring their stone pile to the other side of the stadium. And remember, being smart is as important as being strong. Let's go! Be careful, Billy. I think those are too many rocks. Watch out, Billy! Get away from there! Oh no! Are you okay, Billy? I don't think you can do it alone, Billy. Yes! Super Truck will help you. If you keep going like this, it's going to take forever. You have to come up with something, Super Truck. Extra shovels! Great idea! You're almost done, Super Truck. Oh no, that rock is too heavy. That's right. If you push together, you'll get it out. Yay! You did it! Great teamwork, guys! Ladies and gentlemen, the champion of the Car City Strength Championship is Super Truck! You were right, Super Truck. Today, Billy and you worked as a team, and you both deserve the cup. Let the stunt competition begin! Cool moves, Marley! What other stunts can you do? Yes, some ramp action! Go, Marley! You got this! Ouch! His stunt failed! Help him, guys! They need your help, Amber! Great job, everyone! Marley's headlights and bumper are broken, but Super Truck will transform and compete for him, right? this super monster truck! And this is so exciting! Whoa! Look at him go! Good one, super monster truck! Wow! What a somersault! Whoa! That's so cool! Careful, super monster truck! Phew! At least you aren't hurt. Amazing moves! Amazing stunts! Ready to jump over the rocks? There he goes! Watch out for the rock on your path! That flip was too low! Ouch! That must hurt! Your tire is stuck, but the rocks are still rolling down! Get the ST3000! Fast! Phew! The freeze race saved the day! Keep pulling, Super Monster Truck! Yes! You did it! Make it better than the first time! Everyone is filled with anticipation! Your stunts are out of this world! Amazing job, Super Truck! Two more stunts to go, and you finish the parkour! Yay! What a flipping stunt! And the last stunt, jumping over the rocks! They are no match for you, Super Truck! What an exciting competition! Marley Monster Truck is much better now, thanks to Amber. Ready, guys? It's now or never! What an amazing ending! Whoa! What a great Chinese New Year party! Yummy! Chad and the dragon are having fun. A wishing pond. Do you want to make a wish? What did you wish for? Jerry is flying! Time to transform! Phew! That was close! Jerry wished to be the most powerful dragon in Car City. It came true! Now he's out of control! Aren't you going to put out the fire? Look above you! That dragon is really on your case. Watch out! The lantern is on fire! That ladder really helps with hard-to-reach places. Jerry, please stop! Chinese New Year is a day of celebration! No, not the flying lanterns! Faster, Super Truck! You need the ST3000. A grapple hook. Good choice. Look out! The last lantern is getting too close to the trees. Great. No more flying lanterns. Yikes! This dragon is relentless. Cool. Now you need to stop, Jerry. You got him now, Super Truck. Here comes the dragon. Whoa! He didn't see that one coming. The pool ended his wish. He's back to normal. That was very dangerous, Jerry. Whoa! What beautiful fireworks! Go on, Chad. Jerry is a good dragon now. Happy New Year, everyone! Frank, Brooke, are you going to the Valentine's Day party? And those balloons are beautiful! Watch out, guys! Move! Be careful! Oh no! The rocks are blocking the way! You won't be able to go to the party if the road is blocked like this. I think you have to go and find some help, Frank. Super Truck, Brooke needs your help. Some rocks are blocking the road to the party, and Brooke can't go through. Come on, Frank will show you the way. Great idea! An excavator is perfect for this job. Don't worry, Brooke. You'll be at the party in no time. That's right, Super Truck. Let's get to work. Well done. Oh, you're together again! This is great! But hey, I think it's time to go to the party! Oh no! The rocks are heading to the Valentine's Day party! Super Truck, you have to do something! Quickly! Oh no! Watch out for this rock! And that one! And that other one! Oh no! It's useless, Super Truck! And the cars are in danger! You have to save them! Quick, Super Truck! There's no time to lose! Very good! Super Truck is coming! Don't worry, Super Truck is here to save you. And now how are you going to stop the rocks? Super Truck, you have to do something quick! Phew, that was so close. You saved the party, Super Truck. And Frank and Brooke are here. Brooke, what's wrong? Of course. With the landslide, you lost the balloons that you brought to decorate the party. It looks like Super Truck just had an idea. Great thinking, Super Truck. Happy Valentine's Day, guys. The Car City Easter egg hunt is about to begin. Participants, remember that if you have any problems, Dr. Amber is on call to ensure everyone's safety. Okay, guys, in your marks? Ready, steady. Wait, I think that Crocomile wants to join the egg hunt. Crocomile, wait, I didn't say go. Come on, Super Truck. You have to do something or you're going to be left behind. A garbage truck. Good call, Super Truck. Where could those Easter eggs be? Jackpot! Wow, they have surprises inside. You'll have to keep up, Croco. Super Truck is leading the Easter egg hunt. Hey, Croco, you have to find Easter eggs, not scatter them around. Huh? No, Marley, that's not an Easter egg from the egg hunt. Oh no, Marley is in trouble. Jerry, stop! These are fake eggs! This is a disaster! Super Truck, don't get any closer! Oh no, what are we going to do? Wait, what is that? Great! Amber to the rescue! Good job, Amber! You saved Super Truck! But Crocomile is still leaving fake eggs around the city. You have to stop him, guys! Good idea! With the mini truck, you can tell if the egg is good or not without taking any risks. Amber, there are still a few injured people left. Do you think you can help them? Let's go then!
Yay!
Oh no! The mini truck ran out of battery! You're on your own again, Super Truck!
Hey!
Look, Super Truck! There is a golden egg! Oh no! Croco has found it too! You can't let Croco have this egg! He doesn't deserve it! That should serve you, you evil Croco! Oh no! The egg is going to smash on the ground! Amber, Jerry, watch out! Wow, a golden crown! Amber is the Easter champion! You took care of everyone, so you're the fairest winner of all! Happy Easter, guys!